Hi everyone, Alisa Clickinger here with Women's Motorcycle Tours, and I am at the Crystal Gateway Marriott where we are hosting the first ever Women's Motorcycle Festival and Conference sponsored by Women's Motorcycle Tours. And I am so excited about the program we are creating. It is like nothing you have ever seen in the women's motorcycle space. And we have a 4-day complete extravaganza of activities, education, outdoor fun, festival. We'll have demo rides. We'll have everything that we're bringing to you in the virtual conferences. We have a special gala one night celebrating the passage of the 19th Amendment and women's right to vote. Our charity is Final Salute Inc., and they are a 501c3 that supports and has programs for homeless female veterans. And this is a very important part of what we're doing, is supporting other women, supporting especially our female veterans. Thank you very much, ladies, for serving. Every registration nets a donation to Final Salute. So click the button down below now to register, because we only have 300 spots available due to current restrictions here in Virginia. So sign up now down below, and we will see you in August.